Do you want to add hashtag on Instagram story? You can use hashtags on Instagram story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a hashtag on an Instagram story, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the top left of the screen to create a new story. Now, take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to upload as your story background. Once the content is added, tap on the stickers icon at the top of the screen. A new screen will appear. From here, tap on the hashtag sticker. Type the hashtag you want to use. You can add trending hashtags, your brand hashtag, or any keyword relevant to your story. You can resize, drag, and place the hashtag sticker anywhere on your story. When you're happy with your story, tap on the Your Story button to share it.